Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring on some fun activities you can try to meet new people and make friends in your new city. 1. Explore coffee shops and cafes. Spend some time at local coffee shops or cafes, especially those with cozy atmospheres conducive to chatting with strangers. You might meet fellow coffee enthusiasts or book lovers. 2. Join a religious or spiritual community. If you're a religious or spiritual person, joining a local church, mosque, synagogue, temple, or other religious or spiritual community can be an excellent way to meet like-minded individuals and establish a sense of belonging in your new city. Attend religious services, prayer meetings, or study groups to connect with fellow members and engage in meaningful conversations. Many religious and spiritual communities also organize social events, volunteer opportunities, and community outreach programs where you can get involved and meet new people who share your faith or beliefs. 3. Attend local meetups and social events. Keep an eye out for local meetups, social events, and gatherings happening in your new city. These events cover a wide range of interests and activities, from casual networking mixers and game nights to themed parties and outdoor adventures. Websites and apps like meetup.com, Eventbrite, and Facebook events are great resources for discovering upcoming events and connecting with people who share your interests. Attend events that align with your hobbies, passions, or professional goals, and be open to striking up conversations with fellow attendees. Whether you're attending a book club meeting, a language exchange meetup, or a community picnic, local meetups and social events offer endless opportunities to meet new people, make friends, and enjoy the social scene in your new city. 4. Explore outdoor recreational activities. Embracing outdoor recreational activities is not only a great way to stay active and enjoy the natural beauty of your new city but also an excellent opportunity to meet like-minded individuals. Whether you're into hiking, cycling, rock climbing, or simply taking leisurely walks in the park, outdoor spaces provide a relaxed and informal setting for socializing and making new friends. Consider joining local outdoor clubs or groups dedicated to your favorite activities, or attend organized outdoor events such as group hikes, bike rides, or community cleanup days. By participating in outdoor activities, you'll not only have the chance to connect with fellow outdoor enthusiasts but also deepen your appreciation for your new surroundings. 5. Attend cultural and arts events. Immerse yourself in the vibrant cultural scene of your new city by attending cultural and arts events such as theater performances, art exhibitions, concerts, and film screenings. These events provide opportunities to engage with others who share an interest in the arts and cultural expression. Look for local theaters, galleries, concert venues, and cultural institutions that regularly host events and performances. Consider becoming a member or volunteer at these organizations to get more involved and meet people with similar cultural interests. Whether you're discussing the latest exhibit at an art gallery or enjoying live music at a concert, cultural and arts events offer a rich and stimulating environment for socializing and connecting with others. 6. Utilize social media and online platforms. In today's digital age, social media and online platforms can be powerful tools for expanding your social network and making new friends in your new city. Join local Facebook groups, subreddit communities, or online forums dedicated to your city or specific interests. These online communities often organize meetups, events, and gatherings where members can connect and socialize offline. Additionally, consider using social networking apps specifically designed for meeting new people and making friends, such as Meetup, Bumble BFF, or Hey Vina. By leveraging social media and online platforms, you can tap into a vast network of individuals who are also looking to expand their social circle and make meaningful connections in your new city. 7. Take classes or workshops. Enrolling in classes or workshops at community centers, art studios, or adult education programs can be an excellent way to meet new people and expand your social circle. These classes provide a structured environment where you can engage with others who share similar interests or goals. Whether it's learning a new skill like cooking, painting, or photography, or taking language courses, these settings foster interaction and camaraderie among participants. Additionally, the shared learning experience can serve as a natural conversation starter, helping to break the ice and initiate friendships. By actively participating in class activities and group discussions, you'll have the opportunity to connect with like-minded individuals and potentially form lasting bonds. 8. Join social clubs or hobby groups. Another effective way to meet new people and make friends in your new city is by joining social clubs or hobby groups that align with your interests. Whether you enjoy reading, hiking, playing board games, or pursuing other hobbies, there are likely local clubs or groups dedicated to those activities. These gatherings provide a relaxed and informal setting where you can connect with others who share your passions. Whether it's a book club discussing the latest bestseller, a hiking group exploring nearby trails, or a board game night at a local cafe, joining these groups offers opportunities to meet people in a comfortable and welcoming environment. By actively participating in group activities and engaging in conversations with fellow members, you'll have the chance to forge new friendships and create meaningful connections. Attend networking events. Networking events and professional meetups can be valuable opportunities to expand your social circle and meet new people with similar professional interests or career goals. Whether you're new to the city or looking to advance your career, attending these events can help you establish connections within your industry or field of work. Look for networking events hosted by professional organizations, industry associations, or co-working spaces in your area. These gatherings often feature guest speakers, panel discussions, or workshops focused on relevant topics, providing opportunities for learning and networking. Be proactive in introducing yourself to other attendees, exchanging contact information, and following up with individuals you'd like to connect with further. Building relationships within your professional network not only opens doors for career opportunities but also allows you to expand your social circle and make new friends who share your professional interests and aspirations. Remember, making new friends takes time and effort, so be patient and open to new experiences. And don't hesitate to initiate conversations or attend events solo. Sometimes, the best connections are made when you step out of your comfort zone. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your pals, and hit that subscribe button for more cool stuff on personal growth and finding yourself. See you next time.